Hello everyone, today we will introduce you to our product series of BEAMFLEX. And beside the BEAMFLEX series LED strip light, we also have other series of flat flex, side flex, trend flex, opto flex, glass flex, mirror flex, hollow flex, semi flex. Okay, today we will introduce our BEAMFLEX flexible wall washer and wall grazer linear lighting product to you. BEAMFLEX is as the BEAMFLEX because it have the product have the beam angle. No, we have the beam angle 25, 45 degree. And we have the static white. For example, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, 6500 Kelvin. And also the tunable white. The color temperature can changing from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. And also we have RGB colors. And here you have the GRF picture. You can see this picture is light by the BEAMFLEX product. And here we have the application picture in our office with RGB. And here is a steady color, a single color. It has the different color temperature. And with very narrow beam angle 13 degree, you can get wall grazing performance like this one. You can check the light goes through the surface of the wall material, and you see the light area and the shadow. This product is extruded by the silicone material. It have the IP66 waterproof performance, and it's very flexible. We use the silicone extrusion processing to make the optic design lens with a different beam angle. From the picture here, you can check the LED component and the secondary optic design lens. Normally, the standard of the product is 17 watt per meter. If you need other power consumption product, please contact with us. For the product we we provide 5 years warranty, and all the product is dimmable. You can check here. It's lighting performance. Our 13 degree beam angle flexible washer. You can check it's can through the light very far. And for the application, it can used for the residential lighting, hotel club, shop lighting, reception lighting. And here is a real picture. It's real taken by our salesperson when they light the strips outside, outdoor. And this is a picture in our reception in the office. And all the products are safe to the eyes according to the standard IEC 65471, and the IP ingress protection testing method is according to the EN 60529. Here is a dimension. Our dimension is very slim. It's a slim design by 12 by 12 millimeter. And here is parameters of the static white, tunable white, and here is technical parameters. For the static white standard, it's standard product have 56 LED on it, and of course for the tunable white we use a double 112 LED per meter. Here we have the different beam angle. It's a different optic design. Here you can check it's 13 degree, and here is for the 25 and 45. Also the tunable one. And here we get the lux diameter. Of course, if you have the requirement of IES file and LDT file, please contact with us. Here's the working length. We use the 2-ounce PCB for the standard product, and if you have the special need, we can use the thicker PCB. And here is the accessory for mounting clips, mounting clip channel, and the angled clip. Here you have the installation description, and also the diagram. And here is a connecting diagram to the power. And all the products is pass our reliability testing in our laboratory. We make high and low temperature circuit tests, high temperature working and lighting test, normal temperature aging test, UV aging test, bending test, twisting test. We make above testing to make sure the design is good. And in this page, you can also check the silicone material. We use food grade silicone vapor phase, and the CI is above 90. Here is a certificate and the China patent of our product design. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any interest, please contact with us. Thank you. Bye.